Hello guys, so we're back with the Hunter Discovery ceiling fan. Gazebo's right here, just down, just hung this up for testing purposes. And it has blades again. This is one of a kind of a Hunter Discovery. Me and my grandpa made these new blades. They're made out of pinewood. They're a lot firmer than the other ones, and these blades aren't going anywhere if you try to bend them or whatever. It's reversible to do a gloss black with a Hunter's gloss green. There's a tongue twister there. Here it is. It's finally complete. If I ever sell this fan, I've been debating about, it's going to be a lot because these took 2 days to put together, 2 to 3 days. We just literally finished them. Paint's dried. There's the other side. And yeah, start the light. There. Chain's still messed up. I put WD-40 in there to fix it temporarily, but I got to replace the chain. Blades came out amazing. There's the top. No fingerprints on them. Came out really good. Alright. Here's low speed. And these blades are a lot thicker than the old ones because here I have the one of the old ones here I had as a template. They're a lot thinner. And these are made of like cardboard or something. Yeah, it blows a lot more air now because the blades are thicker. Pine is really light. Here's medium. It looks pretty good with the green because it's supposed to be like a spaceship side because I have it green to black, but this is supposed to be a spaceship side, but I just got rid of all the other blades because this side you can see it a little, but they're supposed to be like a galaxy design, like space. And the original owner who had this fan painted over the blades, so that's why I have these new and improved ones. In the modern day of 2024, these are probably the best fan blades you could ever have. And like I said, these are custom made. Goes well, goes fast, blows air. There we go. Looks a lot better with the green, in my opinion. I might do a video with the black side eventually, but for now, it's facing down with green. There we go. After the video, I will replace a chain once I get the time. But yeah, here it is. Came out really well. Yeah. Stop it here. Yeah. They're a lot more sturdy than the other blades, let me tell you that. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.